Anagram Orbz are a foil balloon slightly different to normal foil balloons. In this case they are constructed of a type of foil that is slightly stretchy, whereas the normal foils do not stretch. These do, and so they need to be inflated in a slightly different manner. Take it out of the packet, you'll find that there is an instruction sheet in here, so if you do find that you're struggling to remember exactly what to do, you can always check up on the instruction sheet that's in every pack. The first difference you'll notice is they feel a lot thicker. This is because it's made from 4 panels of foil rather than 2, and 2 of the panels are hidden, folded inside. They will emerge as we inflate. And then we need to use a latex inflator to get the extra pressure required to inflate the balloon properly. It does say this quite clearly on the tail of the balloon. And when it says a latex inflator, that will be either the standard bendy tip, trigger valve, which I prefer because you've got a longer tip here to get further into the neck of the balloon, or it can be done with the push valve with the small tip attached. But we'll inflate it with the trigger valve so you can see more clearly what's going on. Put the tip of the inflator into the neck of the balloon, push it past the initial seal, hold it nice and firmly so that all of the gas goes into the balloon, doesn't come back at you and get wasted, and then gently pull the trigger to inflate the balloon in a controlled fashion. As you get more used to it, you can speed up, but we'll do it. Oh, it would help if we turn the gas on. Okay. As it inflates, it gets to this point here, and you'll notice now that the side will split open, just there, to reveal the first hidden panel. And then don't worry about the popping noise, that's normal. That one was actually quite quiet. They can be louder, but don't worry about it, that's supposed to happen. Continue to inflate. Now if you were to use an auto foil shut off, the same as you would for normal foil balloons, it would stop here, which gives you a sort of square and rather small and not terribly attractive look. But by using the latex inflator with the higher pressure, we continue to inflate until all of the wrinkles have disappeared. So be sure to keep your eye on the seam and just inflate, inflate, inflate. And then when the last wrinkle is gone, you stop. And that is a properly inflated Orbz. Self-sealing, as all of the other foil balloons of this size are. And then we can attach it to the ribbon using the slip knot method, like so. And that is a properly inflated Orbz balloon.